You can either control your paycheck or let it control you. And guess what? Most people are getting it wrong. Let's say you bring home $5,000 a month after taxes. Sounds solid, right? But here's the trap. Rent takes $1,600, utilities and bills swallow $400. Your car, easily another $600 with payments, gas, and insurance. Food, that's $500 gone faster than you can say avocado toast. And guess what? Netflix, gifts, vacations, Amazon, they all pile up too. Before you know it, you're broke. Again, no savings, no investments, no emergency fund, just stress. But here's the truth nobody teaches you. It's not how much you earn, it's how you move your money. So let's flip the script. Starting today, every paycheck should be divided into 3 simple buckets: 75% spending, 15% investing, 10% saving. Create 3 different bank accounts, one for spending, one for investing, one for saving. Automate it the second you get paid. Why automate? Because if you wait to save what's left over, there's nothing left. This is why the government takes your taxes up front, because they know you'll spend first and regret later. Now here's your secret weapon. Self-tax yourself for wealth. Invest before you even touch a dime. Save before you even think about new shoes. And if you think living on 75% sounds impossible, think about what you would do if taxes went up tomorrow. You'd complain, and then you'd adjust. So tax yourself first. Rich people do it, smart people do it. It's time for you to do it. Follow the 75-15-10 rule on every paycheck, whether you earn $500 or $50,000 a month. Systemize it, automate it, forget about it. Let your future self thank you with a house, freedom, and peace of mind. Start today, because paycheck after paycheck, it's either building your wealth or building someone else's. Which path are you taking? Hit like if you are choosing wealth. Subscribe if you are ready to level up your money game.